Now I will show you how to edit image using Photoshop. I will combine these two. Okay, let's start. I will open this one with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, I will copy this background. Then I will open another image. This is shark. I will copy again. Select. Now I will drag it to here. Press Ctrl T to transform, Ctrl minus to adjust the screen. I will adjust also the size of this image. Okay, enter. Ctrl plus. Okay, it's okay. There's a lot of ways to edit this image, but this is the one for me is the AC images. Okay, now I will use the tool which is this one, clone stamp. Just click this one. First, just select the background here by pressing Alt, then click this one here and just click here. Okay, I can press Alt, then click this one, then remove this. Again, press Alt, then click here, background, and just click again here, background. Look. Okay. Reduce. Alt, then click here to make it almost the same background. Press Alt again, then click this part. Okay, to make it look the same background here. Now we will zoom out. Look, it's the same background with the shark. Again, Alt to make it look, it's the same background with the shark and this image, and you can adjust, make it lighter. Okay, now we will again flatten image. Look, it's the same background with the shark and this my model's mom healing. Then save as. By the PNG mom healing versus and shark. So this is it. This is how to edit image. This is the simple way. No need to become expert in Photoshop. Just use this clone, then select which the same background. Before we end, we will check the one we just save as, mom and shark. Look, with shark on her background. Thank you and God bless.